Hey guys, what's up? It's Connor Smith from Connor Markets. Video 3, baby. We are talking affiliate marketing today. So for all you guys out there trying to make money with this stuff, there's a lot of different facets of this that all come together to make one successful campaign to promote your affiliate product, which in the last video I had covered in depth in terms of how it is that you can go out and select a product right off the bat and then start getting into the promotional aspect, which is what in this video today we will be covering. At the end of the day, in any sort of sales interaction, you have to understand deeply that every single product or service that a business offers is really a solution to somebody's problem. So the key to successful affiliate product promotion is to figure out a product that you are passionate about, that you know provides value to somebody, or do your research on one, or purchase it yourself so that you can experience the product yourself and get hands-on knowledge of the features and benefits that it has. And then the key at that point, because in the last video we covered that half, the key at that point to promote it successfully is to figure out where in the world digitally is the audience that needs that solution, who has the problem, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about a couple really cool ways for you guys to start as a beginner with low cost into promoting your affiliate product. So if you're doing something like a digital course, like what I'm selling as an affiliate, then I know that I'm looking for people that are trying to figure out more about digital marketing because that's what the course covers. So that being said, I try to reverse engineer the process of finding out where are these people, where are the guys that are hanging out on the internet that I can then go approach with sales scripts that I've written ahead of time or that I've tested in sales engagements before, and then utilize this product as a vehicle for them to fix their problem and learn more about digital marketing as they're clearly trying to do because of X, Y, and Z. I know that somebody that's engaging with, for example, Ty Lopez's Facebook page might be a great example of somebody trying to learn more about digital marketing because he's a top guy in the industry. So that being said, I can absolutely approach somebody in that situation with a product that teaches digital marketing and try to pitch them on the concept of purchasing this product to shortcut their learning curve, just like how you guys are now watching my videos on YouTube here. I really hope this stuff is valuable, guys, because like at the end of the day, there's a million and one pieces of content out there and gurus and mentors that are trying to say that they're the shit at learning this stuff. And I mean, to be completely transparent, I am now, but it's up to you guys to judge who is the person that you want to follow that has the results that you have that you relate to. My primary audience are kids that are in the millennial demographic like me because more than anything, guys, I'm passionate because the money is not part of it now. I'm doing $500 to $1,500 per day in affiliate marketing sales for that course that I'm selling. I don't care about the money. I'm a 17-year-old high school dropout, living my life, traveling the world, documenting it, doing the lifestyle branding, and getting a shit ton of sales as a result. But you really got to think, where's your passion and purpose at? And that's a conversation for another day in another video that I really want to cover. But my point is that I'm passionate about helping millennials overcome the age factor that they think is a liability, but really it's been my biggest branding asset. And so if I find a product that can teach people that, or I can do it myself through consultation as their coach and hold their hand and drag them up to the level that I'm at and give them results and success in the process that really works, then I'm absolutely gonna freaking do that because I wanna see kids like me that are starting on that eating shit for 2.5 years kind of thing that I definitely did and say, look, man, look, you can do that, you can go your own route, or you can work with me and learn straight from the guy that's, had the same results and already did the shit eating for you. So that's kind of my overarching goal for all of these videos, is to assist people in understanding that. But back into the promotional aspect. So find out the target demographic of the sort of people that you want to tap into and really assist. And side note, this works for everybody. Whether or not you're a millennial, my videos are going to help you make bank in affiliate marketing. But when you're trying to affiliate for a product, you need to figure out who the hell you're trying to sell to. Go in, engage those people. Take some elbow grease, guys. There's no such freaking thing as a click button, get rich quick scheme. Excuse me. But all you got to do is to go out and figure out where are the people that would appreciate the value of this product like I have, and then go and try to explain to them why it is that this is the route that they should go in order to learn that same sort of content instead of somewhere else where they might get it wrong. So in the digital e-knowledge product category, that's what you're doing. You're helping people learn quicker through a product. But in your case with, be it the golf clubs or whatever, like I mentioned in the last video, you need to find enthusiasts, people that are really trying to get the best of the best quality. Find the product that has that quality and then assist them in understanding why it's imperative that they go that route with that product instead of whatever crappy alloy club they were looking at. And dude, I don't know shit about golf. But, you know, whatever it might be, right? You got to find the person and then connect with the solution. There's a bunch of ways to do that, but here's the top 3 that I like. Solo ads are genius. If you have a guy like myself with a huge email list of people that have opted in from my free give outs, my lead magnets, that's what it's called when you give something for free in exchange for an email, and then they get into your list, and then you can then market consistently to that list. A solo ad in marketing is when you compensate somebody with that big list of people to then shoot out emails down over to your promotion to generate sales for it. Another great method is Facebook ads. It's expensive to test initially, but you can do as much as $5 a day and just try it out. And if you hit the gold in terms of the targeting, then refine it, put more money into that, split test, meaning take one ad and another, shoot it off, and then see which one does better, do away with the old one, stick to the new one, and then continue promotion of that. Rinse and repeat until you have an operable ad that's driving sales to your offer. Facebook ads are awesome. You can go to facebook.com/blueprint, I believe, and there's a bunch of content up there that'll lay that out for you. The other one that is major is influencer promotion guides. If you can find somebody similar to the email list concept that has 60,000 followers on Instagram or something that's posting every day, that's getting a shit ton of engagement with their audience, just be like, hey man, I have an affiliate product that I think your audience would benefit from. I would love to pay you $300 or something to make a post on your channel with millions of people or 60,000 or whatever it might be. They all charge differently according to their following and how well those people are engaging, how targeted they are. And I would love to make a post that brings some value to them in the format of this product. You shoot that out and then you're gonna get all those same people that already trust that account to then see that as that account suggesting that is the way to go. And they have the rapport. Rapport in sales means the trust, comfort, and confidence. And then from there, they will convert almost every single time if you make that right. And across from all of this traffic, you also have to understand where you're sending them. Are you sending them to some basic sales page, or are you sending them to a well-designed and built funnel that then has these different things and features and benefits laid out properly enough to build the perceived value of the product to exceed the price? If I just said, hey, buy this great golf club, it's $500, the perceived value is dirt cheap. But if you do a better job and you say, buy this golf club because it's, you know, carbon fiber or whatever and has all these great features and benefits and the grip's perfect and all this shit, and you know, this was used in some pro golfing tournament, for example, the perceived value goes way up and then you're able to kill it with that pitch because it exceeds price. The formula for sales, when perceived value exceeds price, people pay. Boom, you have yourself a commission. I hope this has kind of helped, guys, for the top 3 strategies that I, as an affiliate marketer, suggest to go out and generate your sales. But in the next video, I'm gonna talk about how to do all of this for free. How do you sell it for free? That's what a lot of people starting off with no capital, meaning cash to work with those strategies, needs to know, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. I will be dropping more value every single day for you guys to help you guys shortcut your learning curve to get the success within the affiliate space and all the others which we will cover at a later date. Thank you.